Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to support post-procedure recovery and enhance skin's natural collagen production. ALASTIN Skincare's ReFORM and RePAIR Body Recovery Treatment. This 5-ounce moisturizer is marketed as a must-have for anyone looking to support their skin after procedures like body contouring or skin tightening. Let's take a closer look at how it performs and if it truly lives up to the hype. The ReFORM and RePAIR Body Recovery Treatment is a specially formulated moisturizer designed to aid in the recovery of skin after medical or cosmetic procedures. One of the standout features is ALASTIN's patented TriHex Technology, which works to support the skin's natural regenerative process by helping to produce new collagen and elastin. This product targets the skin's recovery and aims to accelerate healing while improving the texture and tone of the skin. When I first introduced this into my routine, I noticed how easily it absorbed into my skin without leaving a greasy residue. The texture is rich but light, offering a hydrating feel without being overly heavy. I used it primarily on areas that felt a bit more sensitive or dry post-treatment, and it was comforting without feeling too thick or heavy. It's worth noting that the cream doesn't have an overpowering fragrance, which I find refreshing, especially for post-procedure care, when you're looking for something soothing and gentle. In terms of practical application, I found the product to be easy to use. It glides on smoothly and didn't cause any irritation or discomfort, even on areas that were a bit more sensitive. Over the course of a few weeks, I noticed some improvement in the overall texture of my skin. It felt softer, and some of the tighter, more uncomfortable areas showed visible improvement in terms of elasticity and smoothness. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the TriHex Technology is an interesting and promising feature, especially for those who are looking to support collagen production. The moisturizer absorbs quickly, leaving a smooth finish without any greasiness. The formula is hydrating without being heavy, making it ideal for post-procedure care. Gentle, fragrance-free formula works well for sensitive skin. Cons: the price point is a bit on the higher side, especially for a body moisturizer. While the results are noticeable over time, they are subtle. This is not an instant fix, but rather a long-term investment. The 5-ounce size might not last as long if you're applying it generously on larger areas of the body. As for value for money, this is one of those products where the price is justified if you're someone who's recently had a procedure and is looking for targeted care to support recovery. The inclusion of TriHex Technology, which is backed by clinical results, adds credibility to its performance. However, if you're just looking for a basic moisturizer for dry skin, this might be a bit of an overinvestment. In terms of comparison, while there are similar recovery creams on the market, few have the patented TriHex technology that ALASTIN offers. Other body recovery creams may hydrate well, but ALASTIN's specific focus on collagen production and skin rejuvenation sets it apart. The build quality of the packaging is also impressive. It's sleek and professional, and the pump dispenser helps with easy, controlled application. As for longevity, I didn't see any major issues with the product's shelf life. But given the clinical focus, it's always good to be aware of expiration dates. Is the product worth it for everyone? That depends. If you've recently undergone a skin procedure or body treatment, this moisturizer is definitely worth considering. It's designed for that very purpose, and the targeted ingredients work well to speed up recovery and support skin health. However, if you're not in that situation, the price might be harder to justify. If you're looking for more budget-friendly alternatives, there are other moisturizers that hydrate and support skin repair, but they may not have the same collagen-boosting technology that makes this product stand out. Products with ingredients like peptides and hyaluronic acid can also be great for skin regeneration, but without the proprietary TriHex formula. Overall, the ALASTIN Skincare ReFORM and RePAIR Body Recovery Treatment is a solid choice for anyone looking to support skin recovery after cosmetic or medical procedures. It offers a unique combination of hydration and collagen-supporting technology that sets it apart from standard moisturizers. While the price is on the higher end, the performance justifies the cost, especially for those with specific post-procedure needs. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.